Do you know what really causes the popping sound when you crack your knuckles? Guess and share your answer in the comments below. You have little time to answer. Hurry up. 3, 2, 1. The answer is gas bubbles in your joints. When you pull or stretch a joint, the pressure in the joint fluid drops, and dissolved gases come out of solution, forming bubbles in the synovial fluid. The sudden creation and partial collapse of these bubbles produces that familiar pop sound, not bones grinding or cracking. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Your support means a lot.